He'll be opening the batting. I'll bat somewhere in the middle. That decision of batting down the order is clearly, we want results, we want success, and those two guys at the top. Just looking at this one Test match, they batted brilliantly. I was at home with my newborn in my arms, and I was watching how KL batted. It was brilliant to watch, to be honest. And I felt that there's no need to change that now. Maybe in the future things will be different. I don't know. So based on what has happened and what KL has shown outside of India, he probably deserves that place at this point in time. And it is something that has given us success in the first Test, to have that big partnership with Jaiswal on the other side. Probably won us the Test match. When you come here in a place like Perth and you get 500 runs odd, it's a massive tick to the box. So I don't see we need to change that. But what I saw from the outside looked brilliant. So there was no need to change anything. So it was actually pretty simple for me. But personally, not easy. But for the team, yeah, it made a lot of sense.
Rohit, Australia has a strong record in day-night tests. What would it mean to Indian cricket to be able to beat them here and go up 2-0 in the series?
Yeah, it'll mean a lot. Obviously, we as a team, we try and think about the present situation than the past. I know they have had a good record, but records are meant to be broken. At some stage the records will be broken. For us, from our point of view, we've had a great start to this series. We just like to build on that, try and see how we can do things right for a consistent period of time, because to win a Test match you need to be consistent for longer periods of time, and that is where our focus is. And if we keep doing the things that we did in Perth, I think we can get the result that we are looking for.
Yeah, Rohit, what's your take on pink ball tests in general? Because you need to prepare very differently. You need to think differently, take decisions accordingly, and most of them don't last the distance like you see. Most of them, you might see sessions when it's patches of wickets fall, the ball can behave unpredictably at certain times of the game. So, what do you feel about the concept in general?
What's there is there. You come to Australia, Adelaide is the place where pink ball Test match is held, and you try and prepare your mind accordingly. It's obviously not easy, getting used to that pink ball, but it is what it is. And for us as professional players, whatever is there in front of us, we have to try and do that. There's obviously we didn't have a great result when we played here last time, but we are quite determined to change that result.